अनि क्या अनि हाम्रो अमितजीको होइन बिहेको फोटो हाल्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि हालेकोतिर कमेन्ट पढ्छु रोबिनको मात्रै पहिलो बिहाको 3 चोटि भयो पहिलो बिहा हो भन्छ फेरि
मेरो बिहा 3 चोटि
होइन हाम्रो अमितजीको 3 चोटि भयो अरे बिहा के हो त्यसै भन्छ त अनि सबैले
पब्लिकको पसिना लाग्यो त्यो हाम्रो सरकारको विषय
होइन कमेन्ट रमाइलो है त्यो चाहिँ मलाई नि होइन के होइन पवित्र बिहा भनेपछि पवित्रै हुन्छ त्यस्तो हुँदैन मलाई थाहा छ
3-4 चोटि हेरेको म फेभरेटमा राखेछु अझै
त्यसको लागि चाहिँ यसो रमाइलो मात्रै परेको
आउ
हिजो
नेप्टी किन बोल्दिन त्यो किन बोल्दिन त्यो
के रे बेना
नेप्टी किन नबोल्या
बिजी छन् आफ्नै पारामा
त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेट्न आएन भोइस जस्तो आइने त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेटेन यो भोइस जस्तो आइने
दुईजना हामी भेना एक्लै जितेको हामीलाई
त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेट्न आएन यो भोइस जस्तो आइने यस्ता बिजी मान्छे निर्मला ऋतु बस्नेत आयो यार
अनि ऋतु बस्नेत तपाईलाई फुलको पुकीले रात दिएछ त खासमा त्यो बुके चाहिँ त भाउजूलाई दिनु पर्ने हो के जानेन छ ऋतुले
फुलको के त जगतै पनि फुल त फुल्यो यार
त्यस्तो होइन तपाईको बुढीलाई दिनु पर्छ तपाईको इज्जत अनि अन्तकोमा पैसा तिर्नु भयो कि भएन
अब फ्रीमा काठमाडौँमा फ्रीमा कसै लाग्छ मलाई
अनि त्यत्रो तपाईले प्रचार प्रसार गरेपछि फ्रीमा राख्यो होला भनेको नि
राखे फ्रीमा लगाइदिनु ल बाइ म जान्छु ल बाइ
ओके बेना
ल नि म चाहिँ के गरेर बस्नु
आउ उता आउ साने ल मेरो बर्थडे मनाउ ल ह्यापी बर्थडे एकैछिन जुलियाना एकैछिन
ओए जुलियाना
हाउ आर यु जुलियाना
हेलो all good
हेलो हाउ आर यु सेनोरिटा
Ruben
Yeah.
Ruben, you me forgot. You know.
No, I haven't forgotten you.
Yeah, you know I mean. You know, I miss you.
But I am the husband of the another.
Juliana.
Why are you missing me? I have a wife and a son together. Why are you missing me? Please tell me.
No problem, but you is my friend. Is no problem.
If you want to play punishment battle, we can play. Nowadays you busy in the work. That's why I'm unable to talk to you.
No war in my car. No war now in my car.
You go to house and if you do the punishment battle, we can play. Okay, never.
This is my car. No play. Go. And the street.
Juliana. Hey, Juliana.
Tell me.
Robin missed you. Robin.
Oh.
We have your picture in wallpaper. No. Your picture in
Ruben,
wallpaper.
I love you.
Oh,
I love you.
प्यार. We loved you, Juliana. We loved you. You have to visit Nepal to meet him. We loved you, seriously.
I have a wife. I respect you as a friend. हल्का दिमाग यसैले पकाइ छे वर्षमा बोलम भनेर फकाइ छे
Go, go. Ruben.
ल मुने या
Ruben.
Tell me, I'm listening. Please tell me. What the means of Ruben?
हेरा तरिनी छाने छ यो रोबिनले
No call me, no call me, people, no call me.
जुलियानाको खैकेले ताने छ ला 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 फर्काउ रे ए सब डबल ट्याप लाइभ सेकन्ड फर्काउ
महँगो पर्ला मेरो यो मुकायो महँगा पर्ला मुने मेरो यो मुकायो जुलियानाको भलिबलले झुकायो
ए मैले तिमीलाई सम्झाउने जहिले हो जहिले हो भलिबल खेल्ने चाहिँ कहिले हो ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
भित्र भरै बसेर टोलाइ छे भित्र भरै बसेर टोलाइ छे भलिबल खेल्न न्युयोर्कमा बोलाइ छे
अब उसकै प्यारो भइदेऊ नि त बोलाइरहेको छिन् भलिबल खेल्नलाई गइदेऊ नि त ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे फर्काउ कसो डबल ट्याप लाइभ सेयर गर्नु
मलाई यसले बराई बॉयफ्रेन्ड मान्छन् कि जुलियानाले बॉयफ्रेन्ड मान्छन् कि दुईटा छोराले मलाई चिरपटले हान्छन्
Rosita, guys, send me rolls. Everybody, please, guys, send me rolls. Go. Thank you.
हेरा यो खड्केले गर्यो भलिबल कि अरु नि मन पर्यो ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
Rosita, chico, vamos, Rosita. Vamos, Rosita.
मुनेको थोपडा सेम टु सेम कराई मुनेको थोपडा बराई सेम टु सेम कराई के बोलेर मेरो मुख बन्द गराई फर्काउ
रोबिना त उसैको भइछन् नि गाला पनि जुलियानाको स्याउ जस्ता रहेछन् नि ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे अब तिमी न्युयोर्कमै गइदेऊ ती दुई गाला तानेर मुई खाइदेऊ ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
यो मुनेले भरै पोखरा ओगटे मुनेको दोहोरीले मान्छेको मन ओगटे गाला स्याउ जस्ता अरु चाहिँ भोगटे फर्काउ रे
अब तिमीले मया झल्लाइदेऊ नि त मिठो हुन्छ ती भोगटे साधेर खाइदेऊ नि त फर्काउ रे
Ruben, tomorrow come, Nepal, tomorrow, fly.
I'll come to Nepal.
Yeah.
You will
Yeah,
come
you have
to
it, you have it.
हेरा त गीता कति मिठो
Ruben.
काने भेक
I have a bullet, ticket, the fly.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure.
He will come to pick up you.
Hey, Juliana.
Airport.
Hey, Juliana.
Yeah, listen to me. You please, you pick up me, iPod, you. You pick up.
I'm not in the capital city of the Nepal. I'm in the Kathmandu. I'm in the Pokhara. I'm very bit depart from there.
You pick up, and the iPod, you me together in hotel.
Hotel?
अब तिम्रो पोल सबै खोलाइदि यहाँ छौ दाजु होटलको बोलाइदि
अन्त रेपान्छ क्या मलाई मागा
No, Ruben, listen to me. Only you company, only you pick up and then you car and then you me hotel you come back you house. Relax.
होटल but where in the hotel way on the hotel way
Looking for you friend for me, one man. You
Juliana.
looking for one man for me.
Hotel for what purpose? Hotel for what purpose?
Oh, Lee and you house. And Lee and you house. Ruben
Sleep.
and
Where sleep?
Lee. Together.
what do you mean
In your house.
बाबु जुलियानाको भोगाटे स्याड छौ त जुलियानाको भोगाटे
really,
स्याड छौ त
really. No,
होटलकोलाई जानलाई क्यार छौ त ल फर्काउ रे
No, Ruben. No, come tomorrow flight this. I have a ticket. The airport.
no you have no ticket you are a liar you always lie
No, really.
you are the liar you will never come to Nepal you will never come to Nepal I know you will never I know you are a liar
You please. No, really. You please pick up, please. And the iPad.
Juliana,
I can't pick up you.
hey girl, can I come with Robin? Can I come with him? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
that okay?
You send me your address. Send me your address. Please, your address. Yeah, you please. In WhatsApp. Yeah. And the you know pick up me and the taxi. Come your house. The
You
iPhone.
house?
You house.
यसो डबल ट्याप गर्नु ल सबैजनाले
खतम पार्लेछ त यार
Vale por tres. Yeah.
really are you sure that are you coming to
Please,
Nepal
guys,
Hey,
please. I needed one boyfriend, please, Nepali. One boyfriend for me,
Nepali.
please.
Nepali
Please.
call out the
Tomorrow
Robin is
fly
available.
in Nepal.
Robin is available. Why are you searching for another boyfriend? He is
Please,
available for you.
Ticket. This ready.
really
The flight.
please show me ticket
Yeah.
show me ticket please show me that
Please, you.
Juliana, please show me that
Ruben.
show me ticket please
You know me asleep in the street. Ruben, you know me asleep in the street in Nepal. You know. You me and in the street. No, in your house.
I am not in the capital city of Nepal I am depart from here
No problem. Your wife. No problem. Sleeping three together.
sleeping free
Chicos, semi wrong, guys. Semi wrong.
के बोले कि
you are the liar
के बोले कि तँलाई
गाई चाल
माता पिताले त्यही संस्कार दिएका हुन् के बोले कि
तिनटा सँगै भन्छ बोल्दै
Mom, you sleeping with you house.
चुप with you
Mom, you and me together. You and me.
You can visit my house but not his. He have wife. He is married. Okay? He have 2 wives already.
No, Mom. Me sleeping with you, not Ruben, with
With
you.
me?
Huh?
Hey, I'm just like you. Look at me. I'm just like you. ए दाजु यसले त मलाई नि भ्याउँछ क्या लौ न
हेर मुने विदेशतिर कस्ता साधन हुन्छ पागल झ्याउले यसले
नो जुलियाना नो
विदेशतिर त केटा मान्छे केटी बन्न पाउँछ केटी मान्छे केटा बन्न पाउँछ पागल झ्याउला
नो
यसले खतम पार्छ बा
निश्चित खेलेर आइदियो भने क्या नि
Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me. Ruben have a wife, yeah? Ruben have a wife, yeah? Okay, no problem. No sleeping with Ruben. Sleeping with you.
Me.
You and me.
But I'm just
This
like
girl-
you. We have same thing. We have same thing. We have
We have
same.
same thing, Paul.
No problem. No problem.
Hey, she's the girl. She's the girl.
Miguel.
I will
no,
give you-
no, no. And the street, and the street.
You can't
I will
touch
give
me,
you-
okay?
You can't touch me.
We can
Mo,
sleep
Mo,
together.
Mo, Mo.
Yeah.
You come New Year. You come my house. You come New Year. New York City.
Okay, you want to stay with me, girl, Juliana. You want to stay with me? एकदम मेरो लागि मेसिन सेसिन फेर्छ क्या हो दाजु मेसिन भन्ने हो दाजु
Last मर्दा म गएँ यार.
What happened? No good.
क्या छ
No good. They come.
क्या छ
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You come. 1 second. They come. No good. It's very, very cool now. It's very, very cool. No problem. It's good.
Don't like to be hot. I wanna go. Julian, thanks. Thanks for the time. मुना म गएँ यार.
ल ओके दाजु ल ओके भोलि गाउँला
Thank you, Julian.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. Bye.
Coffee.